Hi everyone, today Sunny the Snail is going to help us find what's in our bag. Can you help me say the sound for the letter S? And we go like this, we go S, and it's Sunny the Snail. Now everything in his school bag today, here's his backpack, everything in his school bag starts with the sound. Are you ready to help me? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Are you ready? Let's see what's in the bag. Here we go. It is skipping. 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 Are you ready to find out the next item in the bag? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Here we go. Let's find out what's in the bag. Oh, yum. It's one of my favorite foods and it is spaghetti. Put your hand up if you love spaghetti. I do. Skipping spaghetti. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Here we go. Oh, yum. Strawberries. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of strawberries? I can. Skipping, spaghetti, strawberries. Maybe Sunny the Snail can help me this time. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can Sunny help me? Yes, you can. Here we go. Sunny the Snail, what are we finding? Oh, a soccer ball. Put your hand up if you love to play soccer. Soccer ball. Skipping, spaghetti, strawberry, soccer ball. Are you ready to help me one more time? Here we go. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Oh, I wonder what's in the bag this time. Oh, it is. Oh, I know Sunny likes to do this. He likes to go out on his skateboard. Skateboard. Miss Jo's tried to go on a skateboard. She's not very good at it, but that's okay. I had fun. Skipping. Spaghetti, strawberry, soccer ball, skateboard. One more item, I think. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Oh, I wonder what's in the bag this time. Oh, yes, aren't we lucky? It's Sunny the Snail. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you for all your help today. What items have we got? We've got skipping, spaghetti, strawberry, soccer ball, skateboard, snail. Did you get all of those items? Thank you for joining me today and helping me find lots of items that begin with the sound. I'm Miss Jo. I'll see you next time.